Aotearoa Toa, proud to bring you Te Rā o Te Raukura 2018 and, of course, the Hauora Expo. And I'm joined by a hearing therapist from Life Unlimited Hearing, Susan Lenny. Thanks for your time. Now, tell us a little bit about your kaupapa.
Okay, so we do screening hearing tests, find out what your hearing needs are, and look at practical ways to help you manage your hearing loss, providing information, advice, and we can refer you on to other services when necessary.
Yeah, good to see you guys out in the community, also out in the marae.
Yep. So we run community-based clinics at Orongamai Marae, Ipuni Medical Centre, Wainuiamata Community Centre, and the two kaumātua groups at Wainuiamata Marae and Te Manunu Marae.
Yeah, good to see you a part of our kaupapa Te Rā o Te Raukura and the Hauora Expo. What are you going to be bringing?
So an opportunity for people to come along, find out what we do, maybe ask some questions about hearing, maybe things you feel embarrassed about, but hoha about, come and see us. And then if you want to find out, come along to an appointment, we can talk about that.
Nice one, whānau. If you've just joined us, Susan Lenny, hearing therapist from Life Unlimited Hearing, going to be at the Hauora Expo at Te Rā o Te Raukura, Saturday, February the 3rd, Te Whiti Park, Waiwhetu, Lauaha Te Wā Kairangi, proudly brought to you by Aotearoa Toa.
All the best throwbacks, 90s and more.